Hey guys, welcome back to Luke's Vintage RC. As you can tell, I got a cool project here. What you're looking at is a 2010 MRP Ripper ST. Not many people know about these, and you should. It's quite the weapon on a racetrack. So, what you're looking at is essentially a 2000 or early or late 90s Team Associated T3 race truck. And I'll show you the chassis now. The messages that I've been getting about, because I've been reaching out to a couple people about this truck, and they tell me that this was a slayer on the track. And here's why. That chassis design is race proven. It's exactly the same as this truck right here. Let me show you the Team Associated T3. So, as you can tell, they're the same. The gearbox even looks the same too. The design. I don't know if you can see it. So, amazing that they were able to get that technology for them as well. I don't know how MRP was able to do it, or even Thunder Tiger for that matter, because they have one too. It's called the Phoenix. But yeah, just amazing little trucks here. These were ready to run for under a couple $100. They came with a 17-turn motor, full radio gear, ball bearings. This truck needs a little love because it's been tired, but I did the best I could with what I had. I ordered a motor for it because the motor that came with it was just shot. We got a GOOLRC brand new motor in here, 21 turn, it ran great for the video. And went with a Robinson Racing pinion, 20 tooth, lightweight pinion as well. And I'll probably upgrade the shocks in the future. We'll definitely visit this one, and then we'll have the T3 with it, and we'll do a side by side between these two. I got to restore one of those on the channel anyhow. So yeah, comes with a slipper as well. So I couldn't be any happier with the way this thing turned out. I need to make some stickers for it, so I had to make some decals. You'll see that in the video as well. So yeah, nothing I could really say bad about this thing. It drove awesome. I would love to have had some really a little bit better suspension on here and maybe some fresh tires, and I bet you it would just be like amazing. But yeah, I highly suggest you guys to go out there and look for one of these, because you won't regret it. These are amazing trucks. I've been hunting for this one down for a couple years now, and when this popped up, I had to nab it up. But the guy sold it to me. He didn't tell me that it had a smell on it that smelled like urine, so I had to soak it in a bath of solution for a long time while I was on vacation for a week. That's why this video is a little long. It took a little longer to get on, but yeah. It turned out great though. I'm super stoked with it. I went with the 01 decal because of the General Lee colors. So yeah, it needed some love, but super happy the way it turned out. So now you're gonna see what it took to make the Ripper come back to life, and then you're gonna see the running review. That's when I'm gonna start right now. Alrighty guys, so this is the MRP Ripper, how I got it. Has a little bit of a scent to it. Smells a little like pee, I ain't gonna lie. This box is gross. I just need to wash this thing really well. Pretty rusty. Motor looks like it had it. No servo. The body's pretty dirty. Underneath looks really good though. A little yellowy, but so it just needs a good cleaning. And I'm gonna do detail a little bit. And those stickers for number 3 looks kind of dumb. So yeah, tires are scratched up a little bit, need a little cleaning. They're not too bad. They're still squishy-ish. This one's got a slight little spot, feels like, right in there. But I don't know. I might be able to take it off the rim and then see if I can fix the foam. It feels like the foam is misplaced in here. So that's that one. These feel okay. So yeah, we definitely got our work cut out for us on this guy. We need to get a few things: servo, horn, attachment. See if I can make something, clean it up really good, and hopefully the gearing's all right. I gotta get a pinion for it as well. Yeah, just really nasty. I want to wash this thing up really well, soak it, and then soak it again, and then soak it again after that, and then start disassembling what I got to, and we should be okay. I got to figure out what motor I want to use is the next step as well, because I don't think I'm gonna, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, everything has been washed, looks really good, no damage to speak of. Cleaned everything. Yeah, got to wipe her down really good, put some oil on it, and no more odor. So let's get to assembly and one step closer to getting this bad boy ready. Alrighty guys, so now we got our motor in. I'm waiting for the iron to get hot to put the leads on there. Looks pretty fancy with the label on there that I made. It's kind of a nod to MRP. Right here you'll see the MRP sticker, and so that's why I did that. And I put the GOOLRC 21 turn motor. That's what it is. So pretty cool little decal on there. Now let's go ahead and install this little FUTABA servo in here, and we'll be one step closer in getting this bad boy done. Alrighty guys, so everything's pretty much done on the car that I could do. Got rid of some of the plastic parts that are holding the shocks, got rid of those. Slight wheel wobble right here, I can hear it. It's like an old bearing. I'll probably have to take it out again and re-oil it. But slight wobble, I don't know. So, I don't know if we'll be able to fix that. It's either in the tire or in the rim. But I hear crunchy noise. Hear that? So I don't like that noise. So probably in the bearings. I'll have to take the bearings out, see if I can replace some bearings in there, and maybe that might be the culprit. But other than that, everything looks pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and do some work on the body. Since everything else is pretty much done, let's go ahead and get to the shell. Alrighty guys, the Ripper ST is pretty much done. I did take it for a little bit of a test drive, got a little something going on with the rims, I don't know. But other than that, looks sharp. Gotta say, it is attractive looking little stadium truck. Not bad looking at all, especially with the little extra details on here that I added. A couple little sponsors, and the back looks really cool with that MRP vintage logo. So yeah, now we're going to go ahead and hit the running portion. Should be all right. All right, now for the top speed times. We're at 0. Let's see what she'll do. It's got to be in the 20s, that's for sure. 23 miles per hour. We'll take it. Awesome. Now to the run review. All right, now time for the running portion of the video, guys. See what the old Ripper will do. A little spin out there. Very neutral handling car. Yeah. I'll tell you what though, the handle's really good. That Team Associated chassis design, you can't go wrong with it. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, let's go see how she does on the off-road terrain part. See how she does on the rough terrain portion. Yeah, no sweat at this one. All right, let's hit a jump. Let's see what she'll do as far as the jumps go. Let's see here. Nice and easy. So far, so good. Got a little air there. Right. Alrighty. Well, that's the best I can get it for now. Time to pull her on in, guys. Alrighty, guys, that's a wrap on this bad boy. Had a lot of fun doing the 2010 MRP Ripper. I typically have a little bit of drama with some cars. This one, none. Absolutely zero. It was such a pleasure to break this one down and just to, freshen it up. I had a lot of fun doing this car. It drove amazing, as you can see in the video. I had a blast doing this one as well. If you can, please hit the like, and I will also love for you to subscribe to help my channel grow, and so I can go on to bigger and better RCs in the future. I would love to go to the next levels, that's for sure. If you are new to my channel, I do a new video RC every month. It's 1 or 2 sometimes. And also, please sure to check out the Instagram. That's Luke's Vintage RC as well. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. And may all you guys have a blessed one. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.